here. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha. I hope everybody is doing well. And today I'm going to talk about my little diffuser that I have over there. I just love it. And we have 4 diffusers in this house. They really make the house smell nice, and they're so pretty. They have like a little light, and it's a really nice piece to have around, not only because it smells so nice depending on what oil, essential oil you want to add to it, but like I said, it's like a little lamp and it's really cute. So this one here, I got it at Walmart, and it actually shuts off by itself when the water is evaporated. And so every day I get my measuring cup, not because I need to measure, but it has a little spout. So I just pour the water in there, and I'm going to show you how I do that. Yeah, so I really encourage you to go and buy an oil diffuser if you don't have one, because it really is a very nice thing to have. Anyway, so my favorite oil scent that I add to my diffuser is eucalyptus, and I love pine as well. So those are my 2 favorite scents. My daughter, for example, she loves the lavender, and my mother loves the sandalwood. And they each have a diffuser as well. They have one in my mother has it in her bathroom, and my daughter has it in her bedroom. And so I have one here in the dining room, and I have one in the living room. I love eucalyptus because it's such a refreshing scent, and to me it's very calming, and I just enjoy it so much. So I pour the water in there, I'll show you, and then I pour like 10 or 11 drops of this oil. So the reason I'm making this video today is because, as you all know, if you've watched my video that I made about 3 years ago. The reason I was bringing up this older video is because I made a video on my deviated septum, which if you watch the video, you'll see how it all happened and everything. But I use an electric nasal irrigator, which is what's actually kept me from having surgery, which I need desperately. If I wouldn't do that, I would not have been able to get away from having the surgery. So I buy these little saline packets, and I usually just get the box with the packets. And I guess I didn't notice that this one came with this little neti pot, I think is what I thought it was so cute. It reminds me of like a little genie bottle, like a little genie lamp thing where the genie comes out. So I said, I'm gonna keep it, it's so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna do something. So it just dawned on me that this is gonna be great to fill my little oil diffusers. And so I'm gonna decorate this because I'm gonna keep it out next to my diffuser. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna decorate this little neti pot /genie lamp. And I'm gonna be doing that with some Dollar Tree items. And so, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let me show you how this little lamp works. Okay, so here it is, you guys. It has this beautiful cover to it, and it's glass. And this part right here is plastic, but it doesn't get hot or anything. The water just sort of like makes a little stream of, like, it looks like smoke. It's like a little mist that comes out through the top, and it disperses the scent of the oil. And so what I do every day is I just come and I pour water, and there's a line in there, okay, up to where you should pour. And then I get my favorite oil, which, like I said, is the eucalyptus, excuse me. And I'm gonna go ahead and put like, I don't know, 10 or 11 drops, whatever goes in there. And then I go ahead and cover it and put this on it. And then there's 2 buttons. So one of the buttons is for the little mist to start. And I don't know if the camera is capturing the little mist that's coming out through the center there. And I can already smell the eucalyptus. It smells so good. And then it has another button here for the little lamp. And I can set it so where it changes colors. or I can leave it in one specific color. And that's it. So I think you can capture the mist coming out. I think I see that. And it just changed colors right now to a darker magenta kind of color, purplish. And I'll just leave it there for a couple of seconds so you could see how it goes into a different color. It's a beautiful item, which was really inexpensive. I think it was like 19 something, like 20 bucks. Smell, and now it's turning into like a reddish orange color. And so that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the little genie lamp slash neti pot. And so look, see, now it's turned into a purple. It's so beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start decorating my little oh, look how pretty the blue. Okay, I'll be right back. This is my other diffuser, and I know the other one is prettier, but this one is has a little bit of a benefit to it because it's easier to clean. Every once in a while I like to clean it, you know, because water can get a little bit like moldy. And so this one, as you could see, this model, I just unplug it in the back and I can take it and clean it. So this one is here in my living room. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the water in there. And I have some eucalyptus oil again. I love it so much. I can't begin to tell you. This oil, it smells so fresh and clean, and I love it. It just calms you and really lifts my spirit. That's all I could say. So there, and now I'm just gonna press here once, twice, and that's it. It changes color in the top, and the little mist is already coming out. And so that's my other diffuser I wanted to share with you. Okay, you guys, so here I am getting ready to start decorating my neti pot slash genie bottle slash diffuser water container. So I have these things that I have from before from the Dollar Tree, and so I think I'm gonna go and fill these two little sections here with these pearls that I have from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm gonna be using these Crafter Square gem stickers. It's gonna look good because they're blue, because I'm not gonna cover the whole thing, so it's gonna match with the color of this plastic. And I have 3 of these. I don't think I'm gonna need that many, but I'm also gonna use my glue gun, and I'm gonna use this small one today because it's gonna be, you know, these gems have they're stick-ons, but I still think that I need to add a little glue or they're gonna fall out really easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sticking these pearls. And I might use these tweezers to use this. And so I'm just gonna start pouring in some hot glue in there. Like so. And I'm just going to continue to do this. It's a windy, I don't know if you can hear the wind chimes from the outside, but it's a windy, cloudy day here today. You may think it's odd, but I love those days. I love cloudy days. It's not so hot, and it's breezy, so Okay, you guys, so I decided to go about this in a different way, which is being a lot faster. So I have this glue that I bought at the Dollar Tree. It's Crayola washable glue. And I have this one as well. It's Aleene's tacky glue. I think I got this one at Michael's. And I decided to pour some in here and then get a brush and brush it on in a larger section like that. And it's really tacky, so it does work really fast and it disappears when it dries. So it's working so much faster now than if I have to get the hot glue gun every single time I'm gonna put down one of these little glimmer beads. And so that's how I'm doing it right now. I just wanted to show you that I went about it in a different way. Just so much quicker. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, and this is what I have so far. I don't want to bore you as I continue to stick these on, but it's coming out so cute. I really love it. Pretty enough to display next to my diffuser. And so I'm gonna continue now. It is the little neti pot that came with my nasal irrigation packets, like I told you before, and I finished embellishing it, and I think it's so cute. Look at that. I'm gonna be using it, like I said, to refill diffusers, but I also thought you could use this like to give somebody as a little gift, because it looks like a little genie bottle, and you can put like 3 little pieces of paper in there with 3 wishes, and they're like IOU gifts, like maybe a massage or a nice breakfast, you know, and they can pick out a paper at different occasions, and that's the wish that you're going to make happen for them. I think it's adorable. Like I said, it was a total accident that I even got it, and I almost threw it away, but I think it's so cute. I hope you like it, and so I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.